Sip your way to better health, unveiling the power of green tea. The ancient origins of green tea trace back thousands of years in China, where it was discovered for its medicinal properties. Its endurance through millennia highlights not just its cultural significance but also its timeless appeal across generations. Green tea's ongoing popularity is largely driven by its multifaceted benefits, encompassing a wide range of health and wellness advantages. This versatility makes it more than just a beverage, it's a potent tool for enhancing overall well-being. Science sheds light on how green tea works its magic, revealing that its health-boosting properties are primarily due to its rich content of antioxidants and nutrients. These components are key to its ability to fight disease and enhance health. One of the first notable benefits of green tea is its ability to enhance brain function and alertness. This is attributed to the presence of caffeine and L-theanine, which together improve various aspects of brain function, including improved mood and reaction time. Green tea also plays a significant role in weight loss and boosting metabolism. Studies suggest that the catechins in green tea can help in breaking down excess fat, making it a valuable addition to weight management routines. Green tea's rich antioxidant profile, notably epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, has been linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. These powerful compounds are believed to neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting cells from damage and inhibiting tumor growth. Beyond its cancer-fighting potential, green tea is renowned for its ability to enhance weight management and metabolic health. The presence of caffeine and catechins synergistically boosts metabolism, aiding in fat burn and contributing to weight loss efforts. The third significant benefit lies in green tea's positive impact on heart health. Regular consumption has been associated with lower levels of LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, alongside an improvement in overall heart function. This protective effect reduces the risk of heart disease. Green tea also boasts benefits for oral health, thanks to its natural antibacterial and antiviral properties. These qualities help in reducing plaque formation, improving gum health, and combating bad breath, making it a valuable ally for maintaining dental hygiene. Lastly, its role in lowering the risk of type 2 diabetes is noteworthy. Green tea's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity makes it a beneficial drink for those looking to prevent or manage this condition. Delving into the optimal duration for green tea consumption reveals a nuanced landscape. Health experts suggest that the benefits of green tea, such as enhanced brain function and weight loss, become more pronounced with regular consumption over time. The recommended daily intake of green tea is often debated, yet a common consensus leans towards 2 to 3 cups per day. This amount is believed to strike a balance between reaping the health benefits and avoiding excess caffeine intake. Maintaining consistency in drinking green tea is key to unlocking its full health potential. Regular consumption contributes significantly to long-term wellness, aiding in everything from improved metabolism to reduced cancer risk. However, this habit must be sustained over months, if not years, to witness profound effects. Scientific studies underscore the importance of duration in green tea consumption. Research indicates that the antioxidants in green tea, which provide numerous health benefits, accumulate over time. Therefore, those who drink green tea consistently for over 6 months tend to report better health outcomes. However, excessive intake of green tea can lead to potential side effects, including stomach problems and jitteriness due to its caffeine content. It's crucial to listen to your body and adjust your intake accordingly to avoid negative reactions. Green tea, renowned for its health benefits, does contain caffeine, a stimulant that can affect sleep patterns and cause jitters in some individuals. Those sensitive to caffeine or with certain medical conditions might need to monitor their intake carefully. While green tea is celebrated for its wellness contributions, it's essential to consider potential interactions with medications. Anticoagulants and stimulant drugs, in particular, can have their effects altered by green tea, underscoring the importance of consulting healthcare professionals. Timing your green tea consumption can enhance its benefits. Drinking it in the morning can kickstart your metabolism, while avoiding it close to bedtime ensures that caffeine doesn't disrupt your sleep, striking a balance between stimulation and relaxation. For those who might find the taste of traditional green tea less appealing, there are numerous variations available. Flavored blends, such as jasmine or mint green tea, offer a delightful twist, making it easier to enjoy the health benefits. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective step toward better health. Whether it's starting your day with a warm cup or substituting it for your afternoon beverage, green tea can be a refreshing addition to a healthy lifestyle. Embark on your green tea journey today and unlock a treasure trove of health benefits. From enhanced mental clarity to a fortified immune system, the daily ritual of green tea can transform your well-being. Let every soothing sip be a step towards a healthier, more vibrant you. In summary, the scientific evidence and myriad health benefits make a compelling case for incorporating green tea into your daily routine. Beyond its rich history and cultural significance, green tea offers a simple yet powerful means to enhance your health and longevity. Embrace this ancient elixir and make it part of your path to wellness. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, click the subscribe button.